Good morning vlog. Today's a big day. I'm gonna be buying something for my car, the WRX STI. I know I made a video, it was probably a few weeks back, about my next mod. I finally decided I'm gonna go order it now. I'm gonna take you to WRXperts so you guys could check it out. It's down here in South Florida. They work on all sorts of WRXs and STIs. I'm sure you can tell by their name. So I'll bring you guys along with me so you guys can check it out. See you there.
Is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like to love you, love you. If I may, I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
So I'm just leaving WRXperts now. The shop was pretty cool. There was a lot of cars there, a lot more than I thought were gonna be there. Everyone was nice, from the employees to the customers there. I was talking to everyone, seeing what they were getting done to their car. Things from getting things checked out, getting it built, to even just an oil change. Pretty cool shop, definitely recommend them. If I'm gonna get anything done to my car, I'll probably take it here, if it's something I can't do. But yeah, just order my next part and you guys will be seeing what that is soon. I'll be installing that part myself. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little video and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks. Is it focused? It's focused. Good. I won't. So now I'm gonna head home and go about the rest of my day.